Hi guys, in this video we will see how to find, change or remove saved password on your Mozilla Firefox browser. If you want to view or change or remove saved password on your Firefox browser, here are the process. Launch Mozilla Firefox first and here click on three horizontal line against top right corner and here choose passwords. Click on passwords and here you will find all your saved password in your Mozilla Firefox browser. If you want to change it or if you want to remove it, simply click on remove or simply view password on click on this icon and you will see your password. And if you want to remove, then simply choose remove or edit. So you can easily change, view or delete your saved password from Mozilla Firefox browser. That's all.